Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today we are going to make hair conditioner for sale, a lot of it. So these are our ingredients. We have our shea butter, flakes, softener. So these are our initial ingredients. The rest of the ingredients will come getting to the latter part of the video. So please watch the video to the end. So you put your shea butter into the pan. I use 80 grams of shea butter and I'm going to use 10 liters of water. So after melting the shea butter, I added my flakes. That one too, I used 80 grams of flakes. You allow it on fire on a very low heat. And then I added my softener after the flakes has melted. So after that I stirred. Please make sure everything you do is on a very low heat to avoid it from burning. After putting your softener into the shea butter and flakes, you allow it on fire and keep stirring for about 10 minutes to make sure it is well cooked or it is well boiled. So you see that you see some foam on top. You keep stirring and stirring until you realize that the foam has settled before you continue with the preparation. When the oil settles, when you see that it has settled and it is well cooked for about 10 minutes, you then add water. First, I'm going to add 3 liters of water on fire to prepare it and then leave the 7 liters. Let it stay, then I will use it at the later part. So after adding my 3 liters of water, I then stirred and then I allowed it on fire for almost an hour. Please make sure that you cook it very well until you see oil on top. In fact, enough of oil on top before you off the fire. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, and also click on the notification bell so that you always be notified when I upload a new video. Pardon me, because in this video I'm going to be a talkative because I don't want anyone to repeat the mistake that I did when I started. So pardon my long talks. It has si January or there you make sure they ever back 5 minutes. Now I had a man obaya ambamba. Inti ye flakes na ye share butter na ye softness do. But make sure secret could be or hair condition. Say if you na fill bottles that and I shake bottles in the one. I did chidra above the one akufum kakra. Me pacho na ha wo na mfa foforo fa nka ho. Aye da ma so osiwa obesane etu. It is a igu bottles na sa de china sa wa akufum a. I was a man da ma in 2 days or a day or two. Ebohu da nakasa wa sane etu. I fill a bottles no. Maybe stay cry me wa bra me for the first time. Me share bottles no kufu. And I made you musical. Na my musical no me share no osan otu ya prepare fufa into no. This is one of the secret that I want to show you. When it goes down, don't add. So, and when it becomes too thick the next day, you can add more water before you fill your bottle. But when you fill your bottle, don't add more of the condition to it. And if you need more information about it, my number will be on the screen. Please contact me. Or if you need some for business too, call me and I will be there. So like I said, you boil until you see some oil on top. So as you can see, there's some oil on top of it, but I will not off it immediately. I will still allow it on fire for extra 10 minutes to make sure that I get enough oil before I off it. So in at the end, it will be on fire for about 1 hour. If you are making a large quantity like I'm doing, you leave it on fire for 1 hour to be on the safer side. Otherwise, it will smell. It will smell. You leave it on fire for almost an hour or an hour when you see before you see oil on top of it. Otherwise, it will smell. So as you can see me doing. So after I realized that the oil is quite enough, I off it and then add my water, the rest of the water. So after you off it from fire, you then mix with your remaining 7 liters of water. But I'm going to add turmeric to it, and I've already boiled my turmeric. You make sure you sieve the turmeric first, and then you boil it for about 30 minutes for it to boil very well. Then you allow it to settle before you use it for the preparation of the hair condition. So as you are seeing in the video, I'm using the boiled turmeric powder to do the mixing. So I've already mixed the 7 liters of water with the turmeric, with the boiled turmeric powder. Okay, so after mixing it with it, I then added my menthol crystal, which is also known as boho. So I added to make sure that it gives a tingling effect when you use it. After that, I added my perfume to it, and then glycerin. I added perfume, glycerin, honey, and then vitamin E. The quantity of it will be on the screen as it keeps showing. So then you then add more water, and then you use cap to stir. As you are seeing in the video, I don't know how to describe it. You just scoop it, you pour, you scoop it, you pour, you scoop it, you pour, and as it gets thicker, you add more water. For the 10 liters of water is not guaranteed, because sometimes you do it and it will just increase at a rate that's expected. So as it keeps increasing and it gets thick, you add more water to it, like you are seeing in the video. I keep scooping and then pouring. I scoop and pour. So after adding all your ingredients, you allow it to cool down before you fill your bottles. And please, I noticed something. The mistake I did, I don't want anyone to repeat it. After filling my bottles, the next day I realized that the bottles have, the content has come down, so I added more. So as I added more, after 2 days later, it started rising and spilled. So when you put it in your container and it goes down, please do add more. After 2 days, it will start rising by itself to fill the bottles. Thank you for watching.